우와, 여기 수박이 있네. 우와, 파인애플 가져가자. 공도 갖고 오자.
오케이.
Float or sink. The boat is floating. Watermelon is float or sink. Watermelon got sinked and then it floated. Next, does the pineapple float or sink? Let's go!
Oh, wow!
Wow, the pineapple floated. I thought it would sink. 예성아, 누가 오는지 가보자.
Let's go!
예성아, 이게 뭘까? 뜯어보자. Let's open it.
Uh-oh.
와우.
우와.
선물입니다.
Cool!
와, so cool. 예성아, 우리 수영장으로 가보자. Let's go.
Go, go, go! Hooray!
Wow.
Come on!
와, 재밌는 선물이네. 뭐지?
What?
우와!
What?
우와! It's a submarine.
Yahoo!
Brother, let's go to the pool.
Okay.
Ready?
Thanks, fun!
예성아, 이제 못 가. 같이 가보자.
Yahoo!
우와.
우와, 진짜 크다. 예성아, let's open it.
오케이.
우와, 진짜 크다.
와, 비기.
예, 다 됐다.
헬로.
예.
Come on!
우와. Gotcha.
Let's assemble the boat.
Come on! Cool!
Woo!
Hooray.
Hello.
우와.
예성아, 우리 밖에 나가서 해볼까?
그래.
예성아, go, go, go.
go.
Let's go. Wow!
Plane and boat floats.
I thought the plane would sink, but it floats. Whoa, it's really interesting. 어? 뭐지? legit.
Go, go, go!
Brother, let's go.
Come on!
Wow.
Cool! Yes!
이성아, 밖으로 나가보자.
Okay.
Oh!
우와, 진짜 잘다.
Yes! Ah!
와! 안 돼.
Oh no!
와! 물에 떠 있네.
What? Ah!
Oh, it's a car that can float on water. Good. 뭐가 좋을까?
Come on! Yes!
Wow, will the truck float or sink? Let's go!
Ah!
Wow, the truck floated! Whoa, so cool! Will the floor of the cars sink or float? My car toys sink!
Oh no!
When I was little, I loved superheroes very, 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 very much. Spider-Man, Hulk. But my favorite is Captain America. Perhaps I was ambitious of the superpowers of superheroes. If I wanted to become superhero, I need to get strong.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I worked harder to get those superpowers. The day came. I became strong.
Cool!
One day, I got a mail.
What?
That mail was becoming the superhero of what I was thinking of, Captain America. Yay! Yes! I went to the lab that they were testing on. Will I ever be Captain America? 안 돼! 안 돼! But that was a dream. 꿈이었구나.
Uh-oh.
But even though it was fake, I still love Captain America.
What?
I am Captain America.
Every single Captain America use this shield as their weapon.
Wow! Look at that Captain America shield. Yeah! Wow! This is what I exactly need. Wow! 이거 봐! Wow! Captain America shield. Okay, let's open it. Wow! Many colorful parts! First, I gotta see the instruction first. Wow! So this is how you do
Come
it.
on!
Okay, let's build it! I need to build over 3,000 bricks. I am making the shape of a shield. Wow! It looks like a spaceship! I finished the shape of the shield. I will now add the colors to the shield. Wow! The colors are red, blue, white are so cool. It's almost done. Wow! After building the shield, I will now test how strong it is. Ready? Finish! Yeah! Okay, now we taste the Captain America shield. Okay, let's go! 하나, 둘, 셋! 우와! Yay! I froze Lego people because I thought it was funny to throw bricks at them.
What?
하나, 둘, 셋! Oops! Waterproof test.
Ah!
My Captain America suit got wet. Aww. Wow!